Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the video stabilization. Okay, so let's begin. We need to open up the camera app, and once we are here, click on that icon on the right side and click on the settings button on the left side. Now simply scroll down until you find the video stabilization. It's right in here. To enable it, make sure it's enabled. Now it's enabled, and if you tap on it, now it's turned off. And now as I tap again, now it's again turned on. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.